Welcome to Feed the Sparrows and the Ducks. As you can see, the man scares the seagulls away to make room for the sparrows and later on, the ducks. As he throws the bread out, he waits for the gang of sparrows to come and indulge in the bread. A seagull comes, he shoos it away. Now let's see if we can see this gang of little sparrows come and indulge in the feast that is laid.
Got the old keen sparrow there, eh?
For them. The man steps away in the anticipation of the sparrows coming to eat the bread. And there's one now. He comes. Fortune favors the brave, and all of the little sparrows come and indulge in the bread. And now, ducks appear on the front lawn, maybe with the anticipation of having some bread. As you can see at the back on the road, a little sparrow darts around the corner from nowhere. The gang of sparrows look on while the ducks start feasting on the grass. Mow that grass, you good little duckies. And as you can see, the sparrows and the ducks work together in harmony, or at least chill out with each other harmoniously. And the ducks get closer to the man. Beautiful, regal animals that they are. And the ducks chill out and relax and make themselves at home on the front lawn. The beautiful duck, the regal duck, makes eye contact with the man. The rest of the ducks waddle past behind him, possibly getting ready to make that flight over the side of the road.